Say hi to YouTube, Mom. So right now we're going to pick up my little brother right now, and then after that we'll head out to Martin's house to help him install his 4-point harness that he just got. So yeah, we'll get back to that right now. So we're back here and we're at Martin's house. We got Jaden right there. Oh look, he just got his PS4. He's all excited for it. Show him. What did you get? What did you get? Dang. It's filthy, man. Oh, look, there he is. So look, who's finally here? We got Martin here. That's right. So today is the monthly Panda Car Meet. We're gonna hit up today around 8 o'clock. Dude, so you finally got the seats mounted, huh? Man, would you look at that? Let's give it a wash right now. Dang.
You look how freaking fat these are, bro.
The seats look clean, bro.
Look at these, bro. Look how thick
So
they
look,
are.
we got the harnesses we still need to install. Looking pretty good.
Look at that, bro. Shit
Shout
came
out
with
to
it.
Naka. We got Martin right here. And for all you that don't know, we're actually gonna start selling all these collectible Hot Wheels pretty soon. We have so many cars. We have Fast and Furious collection ones. For all your Batman fans right here.
More Batman.
All your DC fans.
Classic.
We got classic. Look, we have this RWB right here.
Vencedor.
Lambos. We got more Fast and the Furious right here. Tokyo Drift. We got the Z's. We got the two Fast and Furious Skyline.
A wide body though.
We got the wide body RWB right there. And it goes on. Skylines. We have RX-7s. We're gonna give this one to Chris right here. It's a GTI MK5.
Toma paisitas.
But yeah, guys, we got a lot. We got this. Look at this nice Fair Lady, the Datsun 240Z,
Bro, it still keeps going,
Rocket Bunny.
It still keeps going, bro.
The list just keeps going on, guys. So today there's gonna be a Panda Car Meet in Burbank. So we're gonna be probably, we might not take some, but maybe for the next meet that we go to, we will take some. And for all of you guys that, you know, want to buy some collectors, you know, Hot Wheels, we'll have them there. Look, we even have, look, the 2000 GTR. This is nice. So yeah. Oh, look, for all you guys who are Back to the Future fans or anything, look, we got a DeLorean right there for you guys. We have so much, guys. So if you guys ever want to pass by ScrapzOnWheelz, we got all of these. So we got the Fast and the Furious ones, and
the big die-cast ones too, bro.
We got the die-cast Supra from Furious 7, the die-cast Skyline, and last but not least, the Skyline. I mean the Skyline. I'm like, muscle. We have Dom's Charger, all die-cast metal, and we have the smaller die-cast ones, the 4GT from Fast 5, and from Too Fast Too Furious, we have the Suzuki's Honda S2000.
That's right.
And can't forget one of the main Buster cars, the first Mitsubishi Eclipse, which was personally one of my favorite cars when I first started seeing this movie. Thanks to my good friend Martin, he let me have the FD. I'm gonna be driving this every day, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll let you drive it too.
Hey, bro, check out this video. Oh shit.
Yeah, but we're gonna be selling these cars soon, so There's so many. If you guys want, we'll let you guys know on prices very soon. But hey, this is a lot of Hot Wheels, so I don't think they're gonna be going anywhere anytime soon. So that's for the thumbnail. So right here, unloading the car parts. We got the subframe here. We got the cam plates here. Control arm. And the 4-point harnesses. If I can just open the box. We got the harnesses right here. It's Tanaka. Yeah. Not really. So right here, about to unbolt the first the driver's seat because apparently, what was it? You couldn't find another bolt.
What?
You couldn't find another bolt.
I lost the move.
Yeah, so I guess he had lost. What happened?
That's why I told him. I'm gonna see.
Oh,
I forgot.
no, but yeah, he didn't have 4 bolts, so he only bolted it on 3. So we have to.
Did I tell you how this happened?
Yeah, it fell off of your car.
Bro, I was going on your wheels. Oh, it flipped inside out, and I thought my wheels fell off.
Your wheel? Imagine.
Bah. Yeah, dude.
Okay, so we gotta take off the seat and then put it back on because it's missing a bolt right there, back one. And yeah, we should be fine on the Integra for today. And we have a load of parts to put on. We got new coils, we got the subframe to install, new control arms, and what else? The camber kit, huh?
The fuel rail.
Oh yeah, forgot. Sorry guys, I had to. I had to get Rocky Road, bro. Look how scrumptious it is. Oh, for sure. Holy Lord.
The Challenger
Oh
was
God.
looking at me.
Oh, look, there's Hearns over there in the Beamer.
They missed the red line.
I'll show him when he gets here.
Because I'm going to put these.
Oh, I love those exhaust fumes. Yeah, they smell good. Oh, hey, nah, don't mess around. Who's here? Who's here?
You already know.
Oh,
You already know Jim Mello in the cut.
Days Kevin. Da Vinci.
Wait, what was my name again?
And who we got back there? Oh, we got Hearns. What's going on today, huh?
It's on the grass.
Car Meet, I think.
Panda Car Meet, huh?
I think so.
Thought he was gonna hold the burnout, okay? We got the main man here.
You recorded it?
Yeah.
Look into my eyes, let me take you deep inside. A young boy walking place to place on a fine line, but I'ma redefine the definition of a fire rhyme. Honestly, people, they only rap about their pastime, not even about the damn lives. Yes, it's complicated, but that
Oh,
is
what are
my
we
mistake.
in?
Godzilla, dog.
Aikido Notion?
Because they don't know what I'm saying.
And Godzilla.
Yeah, because they don't know what I'm saying.
These are all
Stop
the
it,
Zillas, huh?
hit that like
Yeah.
button.
Especially this one right here.
Tell your friends that I'm the motherfucking greatest. A valley boy trying
I
to
bet you anything one of them at least is
think I
an
don't know that I'm
Which one do
already
you think? I
fucking
think this one.
gorgeous.
I think the white one's in one of the white ones in the back. Yeah.
when I'm whipping Porsches up and down the fucking
I know. No, it's a Liberty City. Oh yeah, no, it is Rocket Money, huh?
What's up, guys? It's morning time. I couldn't get too much footage of last night's meet, but it was good. There was a lot of cars. There was a lot of people. Same as last month's. It was actually really good. The only footage I really got was the footage of the GTRs. Other than that, like, I didn't get too much. Maybe some pictures. But if you follow us on Instagram, it's ScrapzOnWheelz. We have we post all the pictures there that we usually take. We have pictures of the cars that we saw at the meet there. And then yeah, so remember, like and subscribe down below if you guys want to keep up with the new content coming out. We'll have more stuff coming out. We know we've been slacking off, and that's our fault. We haven't really had days to film, but we will be sure to keep up with the content. So yeah, like and subscribe, and ScrapzOnWheelz. Alright, see you guys next time.
And I just know, and I just know, and I just know, and I just know we're gonna make it. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna make it.